driven down to long off. 1 run resulted. So score moves out to 40. 40 for 1 in 7.3 overs. Run rate over 5. Shiva left arm over the wicket, short outside the off stump and tapped round towards the third man. But there is a fielder running from square third man, fields the ball, not before. The batsman changed over.
Little chit chat between the wicket keeper and the bowler Shiva, who's I think bowling brilliantly. So 7 runs have been conceded, but no boundaries so far in this over. And I think Ranchi Raiders are trying to find their pace here. They need to put up a defending total. Straight shot. Good. That's a single. Chance of a run out. But they reach to their ends safely. So I think a good partnership is building between Aditya and Aryaman. Aditya on 21 of 21 balls and Aryaman of 22 of 25 balls. So I think they're building up a great partnership. What do you think, sir?
Yeah, right. And that was needed for Ranchi because Ranchi lost a wicket on the very first ball of the match. Now these two players are well settled and
Last
trying.
ball of the over. Same shot as the previous one. No runs conceded. It's a dot ball. So I think Shiva has bowled a pretty decent over. So 8 runs conceded of the over. Ranchi Raiders, 8 overs gone, 44 for 1 is the score. Last wicket was Shikhar Mohan who went for a duck. On 20th September, we have a match between Ranchi Raiders and Bokaro Blasters, and match 12 between Dhanbad Dynamos and Dumka Daredevils on this very same day. 21st September, it's between Jamshedpur Jugglers and Dhanbad Dynamos, and in the second half again we have Bokaro Blasters and Singhbhum Strikers on the same day. That's match 14. And 22nd September, the match is between Ranchi Raiders and Dumka Daredevils.
Yeah, each day 2 matches are played. So that was, we got to see, that was trying to sweep. That was a dot ball. There's a loud appeal by wicketkeeper. He thought that the batsman had got a touch, but he didn't. So score remains on 44 for 1.
Second ball, Vinayak bowls the second ball. It's hit hard, but not enough to get to the boundary. So just a single conceded by Aditya. He moves on to 22 with Ranchi Raiders on 45 for 1. Partnership is slowly building. It's 45 of 49 balls, which I think is a little slow for team, but still I think they can make up by the end of 20 overs.
The important thing is that you got to be very careful, and if wickets in hand in the last 4 or 5 overs, they can make up for this slow start.
Just a single of the last ball. So it's the second over for Vinayak. He's conceded 8 runs so far in 1.3 overs. And Ranchi Raiders are 46 of 1 in 8.3 overs. We are bringing you this match live from the JSCA International Stadium Complex. 4th ball. Tries to sweep.
Keeper.
The fielder gets to the ball.
Didn't go for the second run. They were willing to go, but seeing the fielder already there in the mid-wicket region, and he threw it back in the hands of the bowler too. But second run was not taken. So score 47 for 1 on the leg side. Played well down towards the squarish mid-on. 1 run conceded. So the score is now 48 for 1 in 8.5 overs. Aditya batting on 23 of 24 balls, and Aryaman is 24